Hi kids, welcome to Preschool Geniuses. So today I will be teaching you all a rhyme called Peter the Clown. Have you all seen a clown? You know what is a clown called? It's also called a joker. A joker or a clown. And have you seen a clown or a joker anywhere? I'm sure if you have visited a circus, you would have seen one there. You usually see clowns and jokers in circuses. They come there to make people laugh. Yes, by doing funny tricks and funny actions and jumping and falling, and even if they get hurt, they don't show it. Yes, that's why they are called clowns or they are called jokers. So today's rhyme is about a clown called Peter. Okay, so you listen to this rhyme, look at the actions, and then you can recite this rhyme along with me. Okay, so I'm starting. Peter the Clown. Look, look, see the clown. He's jumping up, he's falling down, he's rolling over like a ball. He doesn't seem to care at all. Yes, he doesn't seem to care at all. He's not worried even if he gets any hurt or any injuries. Yes, so listen to this rhyme once again. Peter the Clown. Look, look, see the clown. He's jumping up, he's falling down, he's rolling over like a ball. He doesn't seem to care at all. Very good. Now children, you can recite this rhyme along with me and do the actions as well. Stand up in your places, yes, and do the actions. Once again, let's start. Peter the Clown. Look, do the actions, okay children? Look, look, see the clown. He's jumping up, he's falling down, he's rolling over like a ball. He doesn't seem to care at all. Yes, very good. You take it for the last time, children. I hope you are enjoying it. Enjoying, no? You like falling and jumping and all, no? So this rhyme is meant for you all also. Okay. Ready? Let's start. Peter the Clown. Look, look, see the clown. He's jumping up, he's falling down, he's rolling over like a ball. He doesn't seem to care at all. Yes. So, I hope you'll enjoy today's rhyme. We wind up today's class. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Preschool Geniuses and click on the bell icon to receive more videos. Bye. Bye.